Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to rearrange columns in Google Sheet. Open your Google Sheet. Now I'll rearrange this Google Sheet columns. I'll move this column. Click on this column serial number and select. I'll move this and I'll move this column here. Also you can move this column, click edit option and select move option. You can move right and move this left, and I will make these two columns same size. Select these two columns. Now select right button and here you will find this. Click right button and select resize column option, and I will make these two columns size 100. Now select OK and see these two columns are now same size. Also you can increase these two columns size. Put your mouse cursor this borderline and double arrow icon showing and drag it and see this. In this you can rearrange their column size and move. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.